Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Pro Sport coilovers. Begin by securing the vehicle on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and lifting with a hydraulic jack. Place jack stands under recommended lift points and lower the car onto stands for safety. Remove the wheel to access the coilover, inspect for leaks or damage, and clean dust from threads before making preload or ride height adjustments using proper spanners. To change ride height, first measure from wheel center to fender to establish a baseline and note the value. Loosen the lower locking collar to free the adjustment perch, then rotate the perch clockwise to lower or counterclockwise to raise the car, turning in small, equal increments on all four corners. After each adjustment, torque locking collars to spec and remeasure ride height to confirm symmetry and correct corner weights if possible. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tuning content. Quick recommendation: I loved the simple path to wealth as a casual read while planning upgrades. It made me rethink savings and goals before buying parts. It pairs surprisingly well with wrenching days and long test drives. Check the description for the book link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start damping tuning by finding the factory baseline and counting full turns from that setting so you can return if needed. Make adjustments one click or half turn at a time, then test on a short road loop to feel the difference in body control and comfort. Keep changes consistent between corners, record results, and focus on balance between front and rear so the car handles predictably under braking, cornering, and acceleration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.